This challenge is called hideme. It's a medium level challenge from the forensic category from the picoCTF 2023 event. The description says, every file gets a flag. The SOC analysts saw one image being sent back and forth between two people. They decided to investigate and found out there was more than what meets the eye here. And here is a link. So the first thing we need to do to solve the challenge is to right-click on the link and select Copy Link Address. So after that, we're going to go to our picoCTF web shell. And in the web shell, we're going to create a directory to work inside. So we're going to make the directory hideme, and then we're going to enter that directory. And then we're going to download the file that is associated with the link that we just got. So it's going to be wget space, and then paste in the link, and then hit enter. And now the flag.png file is copied over to our terminal. So if we use the file command on flag.png, we see that it is a PNG image data file. And that means we can take a look at it using EXIF tool. So EXIF is the name of the metadata that's associated with PNG files, with all picture files, in fact. And it'll tell us a lot of information about the file and how it was created. And we see here, there's a bunch of information in here. And there's also this message right here, trailer data after PNG IEND chunk. So if you Google this error message over here, this warning message, it's an indicator that there's some sort of embedded data within the PNG file. And we can actually check this out with the binwalk command. So it's binwalk and then the name of the file. And we see here that there is a zip file inside of this PNG file. So what we can do now is we can extract these zip files. So to do that, it's binwalk again, but with the -e flag, and then the name of the file which we want to operate on. So issue that command. And then we see that this new directory has been created, _flag.png extracted. So let's enter that directory. Then we see that there is a secret directory in here, so we can enter that as well. And there is flag.png in here. So in order to download files from the picoCTF web shell, you can use the sz command. So it's going to be sz and then space and then flag.png. What we're doing here is we're downloading the file because we can't look at the image file from our picoCTF web shell. So we're going to have to download the file to our own computer and then look at it. So issue this command, and it's going to download the file. So after the file is downloaded, we can look in our downloads directory, and we see that there's a flag file in here, and it's a PNG file. So we can open this file, and inside the file viewer here, we see the flag here. So the flag is actually inside the image over here that we can see if we open the image. I've taken the liberty of copying out this flag over here, but what you would have to do is you would have to copy the image yourself. You would have to copy out the flag yourself by looking at the image. It's a bit slow, and I'm pretty sure that all the flags are slightly different, so you probably don't see the same digits over here that I am. So to finish the challenge, after you copy out the flag, is you can go over to the flag submission, you can go over to the challenge description page, and in the flag submission field over here, paste in the flag and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.